Welcome to our tutorial on calendly, your go-to scheduling solution that simplifies how you manage appointments and client interactions. Let's dive in. First, we'll walk you through creating your calendly account. It's as simple as entering your email and setting a password. Now that you're logged in, let's explore the dashboard. Here you will find all the tools you need at your fingertips. Next, it's time to set up your availability. You can customize your schedule based on your preferences to make booking easy for everyone. Calendly allows integration with your favorite tools and calendars. Let's see how to link them for seamless scheduling. Make your booking page stand out. We'll guide you on how to customize it to reflect your brand. Managing appointments effectively can improve your client interactions. Let's explore tips and tricks for success. Stay organized by utilizing reminders and notifications. This feature helps ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Unlock the power of advanced features like group scheduling and detailed analytics to optimize your scheduling process. In conclusion, calendly offers a comprehensive solution for all your scheduling needs. Remember these tips to make the most out of your experience.